Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two of the two different colored nodes. And this is a good example. I said in the first one that you can see that some of them are blue because these are two objects. But even if you just select this one, you get two different colors because these are not, this is not a continuous object. You can see we can move that out of the way. It all depends on how you welded it and broke it apart. So if we select it all, and if you're going to reduce the nodes, you can see it won't even let you reduce the nodes because you've got two of them selected. Much like, unlike with this, we have our node reduction and we can reduce them by a certain number and reduce your nodes. But on this, it will not let you, well, there we could do it because it's working because we don't have that selected. So just like in the previous video, depending on how you did it, broke it apart and welded it, many different ways you could do it. If you will take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that text, and then if we left click, right click, and now if we select it all and hit it with the shape tool, now all our nodes are blue. And if we select them, we can, I normally use the number 20 to reduce nodes. Reducing nodes is mainly for a plasma cutter. It is gonna give you a little bit cleaner cut even in a laser engraver because it's like right there. If you would take that node out, you'll have a lot smoother cut. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.